Medallic. This is one of the popular picks in the race also with a heat winner at $30.98 from box 4. And it's very safe in the betting. $3.60 and $1.50. 6 Paloo.
Ja.
That was a good heat winner.
Ja.
It came home well. $30.87 the time from box 5.
Richie.
7 Premier
Richie.
Farm, $31.15 from box 1. $26.40 the win, $4.90 the place. 8 Eustace Nickel, runner up. And his heat, $31.56 from box 7, $22.70 and $4.40. The receiver gets a run number 9, So Creative, placed in his heat. And a personal best of $31.16 from box 7. Be jumping from box 2 tonight. $6.90 and $1.80. Safe in the betting. Here they are, the first to be introduced. Here's number 1 Special Maestro on the red for Bill Skipper. The 9 So Creative in the green and white. Trained by Linda Britton. He'll jump from box 2. 3 Got Away Quickly racing in the white for Ben Abercrombie. 4 Olympian in the blue. Sounds like Eric.